lads, welcome back to another video. It's going to be a really quick video because I've got other stuff to do. So we're literally just going to get straight to it. So I'm going to show you how to remove and install new gear stick and gaiter for your BMW E90. So I've got the gear stick here, or the gear knob, and I've got the gaiter here. When I bought this gaiter, I thought it came with the plastic underneath. Obviously not, so we're going to have to remove the old fitment for the old gaiter and fit this to it. But first I'll show you how to get your gear stick off. Right, so lads, what helps is if you're sitting in your driver's seat, stick it in sixth. Obviously if you're sitting in your passenger seat, stick it in second, and you're literally just going to pull it up. You will need two hands for it because if you've never taken it off before, it will be nice to get off. But I'm literally just going to go ahead now and rip it off. So there we go, lads, you've got to pull pretty hard. But yeah, there we go. There's the old gear stick. Get rid of that. Now, to remove this, you're just going to pull up. Again, you'll need probably two hands to do it. So let me just get it started. Right, guys, so let's just put one hand there, one hand there, and pull. And do you know what I mean? It just falls off, doesn't it? So yeah, we're going to have to remove this to then get this on, but it doesn't have cutouts on this one, so I might have to make some. So yeah. Right guys, so we're in my workshop. This is the old gaiter. What we're going to do is, you can see on the bottom it's sort of folded over on 4 sort of clips. So I'm literally just going to get pliers or something and just pick them off and get the plastic trim removed from the gaiter. Right guys, so I've took them off. The gaiter is actually stuck to the plastic bit, so you will have to rip it off, and then possibly when we're putting that back on, just run some super glue around the outside and make sure it sticks. Right guys, so there we go, the old gaiter's off and ripped to shreds, nice, and we've got the plastic trim there. Right guys, so we have a hole punch here, and what we're going to do is punch holes in these 4 sort of cutouts that will then slot onto the fitting right there. So right guys, I've done my holes, you can see. So what we're going to do now is slot it so it sits like that when it's in the car. Slide it over this, and then we can put it back in the car. So there we go guys, there's a new gaiter, just slotted over them 4 slits there, and it's ready to go back in the car. So there we go guys, the gaiter is in. I got it the wrong way around. This only fits one way, so it fits the V that way instead of here, but it don't matter, still looks cool. Now we're going to put the new gear stick on, which literally just goes on like that. Can't find its button point. Give me a second. There we go guys. Looking good. The new one, obviously because it's brand new, needed some persuasion. Get on top and just smack it with a rubber mallet. But yeah, it's all done. It's looking good. Right guys, so I hope it helps from you. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed already, then subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.